Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix crashing apps on iPhone. If your apps are crashing on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. Here are several methods you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First method, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many issues including crashing apps. Just press the power button until the slide appears, slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. Next method, update the app. Ensure that the app that's crashing is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down to see pending updates and tap Update next to the app, or just choose Update All. Another method, update iOS. Running outdated version of iOS can cause app compatibility issues. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Another method, force close the app. Force quitting the app may resolve temporary glitches. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the app switcher. Swipe the app off the screen to close it, then reopen it. Next method, check for device storage. Insufficient storage can lead to app crashes. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and check your available storage. If it's low, consider deleting unused apps or files by tapping on the app. Then tap Delete App. Another method, reinstall the app. If an app continues to crash, uninstalling and reinstalling it may help. Press and hold the app icon until it starts to jiggle, then tap the Remove App icon. Go to the App Store and reinstall the app. Another method, reset all settings. If you suspect a configuration issues, you can reset all settings without losing your data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This resets settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers, but retains your data. Next method, check for app-specific issues. Sometimes, the problem may be specific to the app itself. Check the app's official website or social media pages for known issues or outages. Next method, contact app developer. If the problem persists, contact the app developer for support. They may be aware of issues with their app and can provide additional troubleshooting steps. Last method, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, there may be a deeper software or hardware problem. Just contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.